Hi everyone, it's Joanne. I'm just sharing with you a Walmart haul that I did. Hubby and I went there the other day for some camping things, and of course I went to the crafting section, and this store had different things than the one by my work, and had more goodies than the other one, so I was really excited. I keep running out of this double-sided tape, and of course one is like the 1/4 inch or 1/2 inch, and the other one is the 1/4. So I'm glad to find those. Those were only $2 each, so I was impressed by that at Walmart. The other thing was I bought this ribbon. Wait till you see it. Like, look at that. Isn't that adorable? I know you don't get a lot on it, but it is super, super soft. Now that's like an extreme eyelash trim. Really extreme eyelash trim. Anyway, but I thought it was really cute. It's like little feathers. And then I found some beads. So I don't have a lot of yellow, and I wanted to add some yellow to my bead collection. And these packages were only $1 each, so I was excited about that. They have butterflies, the yellow and white balls, the yellow stars, and yeah, and they have some gold glitter balls in there as well. So looking forward to that. So I got 4 packages. They just like they brought in stock. And then I got these for $3, and there's the blue and green in there. So there's a whole bunch of different varieties with some pom-poms, and the pom-poms actually have a hole in it so that you can thread it like a bead. So I haven't really seen much of that before, but they're really cute different ones. So looking forward to adding those to some charms and that, because that might be what I'll be doing a lot with when I go camping this summer. And then I got some really cute black ones. There's some black and white in there, some of the glitter balls, and again some pom-poms. So a lot of goodies in that one. Excuse my nails. I had to take my nail polish off, and oh, all my nails were breaking. And I've never seen this at Walmart before, so I was really excited to see it. And some cutting dies, and they're more of the square with the scallop. So I was looking for the circle ones. I ordered those on AliExpress, and I was hoping, you know, I went through everything that they had, but they didn't have any circles because I don't have any circle die cuts. But for now, that is perfect. Oh, and the one last piece were these pink. Of course, you always got to buy pink when you buy beads. And those. So I've had these all before of the yellow and the pink. So they had just been out for so long, and I finally got some, and that was my Walmart haul. So I will see you guys in the next crafty video, and it probably will be a crafting while camping video. So I hope you guys are going to have a great week, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.